Hey there guys, this is going to be a full tutorial on the HTTrack tool, and before that I have already written a blog post on this tool, and this blog post will be in the description box below, so check that also. So first of all, what is HTTrack? So the tool HTTrack just copies the target site and saves in your local directory, or we can say it just mirrors the target site and save in your local directory. And you will be asking why I need to mirror the target site, because if you directly interact with the target, you are likely to get caught by the sensors like IDS and IPS. So to avoid that, you are just mirroring it and saving your local directory, and you are going to attack the target in your local directory. Okay. So let me enter HTTrack. And once I enter HTTrack, it asks for the project name. So the project name I am giving is, I'm just entering Pro1. So you can keep any project name you want, and it asks for the directory where the results want to save. So I'm just entering home and OS boxes / websites. You can enter any directory you want. So I'm going with this particular directory, and then it asks for the URL to mirror. So I'm just entering my own domain name, and if you want to mirror multiple URLs, you can just enter the comma and add multiple URLs you want. So I'm just giving enter, and in the actions it asks for these 5 options. So don't worry about this. 0 is for quit, and the 1 is for mirror website. It just mirrors only this particular website. And number 2, which will mirror the same website but with some wizards. Wizard means you know that it will give some descriptions about what it is doing. And then the number 3, just get file indicates, so which means it just get files indicates. And the 4 is mirrors all the links in the URL. So we are going to scan for this particular www.HTTrack.com, and it will go, if I enter 4, it will just mirror all the URL which is inside this www.HTTrack.com. And the number 5 is test link in URLs. So it just tests the links in the URLs. So I'm just going with the 4, and it asks for the proxies. So if you want to enter proxy, just enter HTTP and localhost :8080. So the proxy is going to be this one. If you want, you can just enter the proxy. So I'm just going to enter. If you want to skip, you can just enter, and it asks for the wildcard. So I can enter -6, -R6. -R6 is we are going in depth of 6. So I'm also going to skip the wildcards, and it asks for some extra commands. And if you want some additional commands, just enter the additional commands you want. So if you don't know any commands in HTTrack, you can just go to my blog post which is in the description box below, and you can find all the commands related to the HTTrack, or you can also find by entering HTTrack --help. Okay, I'm also going to skip this one. And now it asks for, and we can see the wizard command line. So the command line going to run is this one, and we can see that it is ready to launch the mirror. So I'm just going to enter Y. So the mirror is completed. So let's go to the particular directory. So /home and OS boxes / websites and list. So we could see that Pro1 is over here. So I'm just giving cd Pro1 and list. We could see the mirror, what all it did. So we can see that index.html and other stuffs. So this is how to use the HTTrack, and also some of the alternative tools for HTTrack is the web HTTrack, and there will be a full video on the web HTTrack too. So I hope this video helped you a lot. So make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.